Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Guitar Lesson 9. In today's lesson, following up on our last sessions, we are going to learn the notes on the low E string. We will also practice playing two songs using all the notes we've learned from strings 1 to 6. So please make sure to watch until the very end. Alright, now let's take a look at the 6 strings of the guitar. Okay, if you play the 6 strings open means without pressing any fret. It is an E note. This is E note. Next, if you press the first fret of the 6 strings with your first finger, here, 6th string and first fret with your first finger, that's an F note, F. And if you press the third fret of the 6th strings with your third finger, which is a ring finger, and play it, that is a G note. Okay, let's try playing them together. Here is E, F, and G. Okay, one more time. E, F, and G. Great job. Okay, now let's learn the song You're My Sunshine. The G notes on the 6th string that we just learned will appear in the middle of the song. So let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Great job, everyone. Our next song is Edelweiss. It is a very famous song from the movie The Sound of Music. To practice the 6 strings, we are going to play the melody 1 octave lower. Okay? Shall we try playing it together? 1, 2, 3. That's it for today's lesson. Please have fun practicing these 2 songs until our next lesson. Also, make sure to review all the notes we've learned so far. Okay, from strings 1 all the way to 6. Okay? Okay. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.